Hello guys, welcome back to my new important video. Today's video is going to be very interesting for you. I am sure today's video contains some valuable cooking tools that are missing in your kitchen and will really surprise you after watching it. The 10 gadgets that I will discuss today are very important in your cooking. Gadgets will save you time and effort. From electric vegetable choppers to dish drying racks, this video contains all the gadgets that are necessary for cooking. So watch the full video without skipping. List and add which gadgets are missing in your kitchen, and feel free to cook in your kitchen without any hassle. So without further delay, let's start the video. Stainless steel whisk set. High-quality material, made of high-quality durable stainless steel and highly polished processing methods, no worries of rust. You can use the whisk set for a long time. Multiple sizes. This egg beater has 3 sizes for you to choose from, which are 12 inches, 10 inches, and 8 inches. You can choose the right size egg beater according to the size of the bowl. Multi-purpose. This kitchen whisk is ergonomically designed, lightweight, and does not take up space. It is suitable for various cooking places, such as making cakes, whipping cream, stirring batter, and baking pastries, etc., making us more interested in cooking. Easy to clean and store. The handle is rust-resistant and non-stick, making it easy to clean. The handle has a hole design, which can be easily hung on any hook in the kitchen for easy storage, a must-have for home cooks and restaurant chefs. Potato ricer. Mashing potatoes made easy. Don't you wish you can create perfectly smooth and fluffy mashed potato with less effort? With our Priority Chef Ricer Masher kitchen tool, you can achieve a creamy, heavenly dish quickly and conveniently. Simply squeeze on the long handle of our potato press for perfect mash. Large deep basket for quicker ricing. Holding a max capacity of 15 ounces, 3 mm ricer holes, you will have your mashed potatoes prepared quicker yet finer output than using other kitchen gadgets. You can also use it for other veggies like soft carrots, turnips, yams, and even use a baby food masher. Anti-slip, cushioned long handles for easy leverage. Our potato ricer's long, easy grip silicone handle allow comfortable leverage while you mash, rice, and mill. No more sore or tired arms, just perfect results every time. Adjustable mandolin food slicer. Adjustable mandolin slicer. This mandolin slicer has an adjustable blade that allows you to slice different fruits and vegetables with ease. Dishwasher safe. The slicer is made of durable stainless steel and is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Swap cutting modes. The slicer has a dial that allows you to easily switch between different cutting modes like slicing, dicing, and julienne. Cut-resistant gloves. The slicer comes with 1 pair of cut-resistant gloves to protect your hands while slicing. Versatile kitchen tool. This mandolin slicer is a versatile kitchen tool that can be used to slice a variety of fruits and vegetables like potatoes, tomatoes, carrots, and onions. Electric vegetable chopper. Simply stack and press to chop. The patented stack press design makes it easy to assemble and use. Simply press the lid to chop and release to stop. Since all you do is stack the lid on top of the bowl, no difficult twist locking is needed. Perfect size for everyday use. Chop and mix up to 3 cups of ingredients every day of the week with this 3-cup chopper. It's the perfect size for everyday use, yet small enough for easy storage. Easily chop, puree, and emulsify with stainless steel blades. Durable stainless steel blades make easy work of a multitude of ingredients including onions, carrots, and nuts. Oil dispenser on lid makes it easy to emulsify dressings, dips, and sauces. Easy to clean. The bowl, lid, and removable blades of the Hamilton Beach Chopper are all dishwasher safe. Bamboo cutting board. Kichi offers a versatile set with sizes including 15 by 10 inches, 12 by 8 inches, and 9 by 6 inches. Accommodating all your cutting needs from meats and vegetables to fruits and breads. This variety ensures you always have the perfect board for any task. Our cutting boards undergo a thermal treatment at 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 260 degrees Celsius, a process known as carbonization. This treatment enhances the bamboo's stability, significantly reduces moisture absorption, and gives the board a rich, dark hue that complements any kitchen decor. Experience unparalleled durability with Kichi's cutting board set, which uses a cross-laminated technique. Each layer of bamboo is precisely interlocked to create a robust structure that resists warping and cracking. Eggshell opener. Say goodbye to messy cracking. Introducing our innovative eggshell opener for hard-boiled eggs, designed to make cracking hard-boiled and raw eggs a breeze. Just press the button for a clean, quick cut. No more knives or hammering required. This essential tool is among the top kitchen gadgets for 2024. Take it anywhere. Lightweight and portable, this egg cracker is your ideal kitchen aid for outdoor adventures. Easily pack it in your luggage or backpack for hassle-free egg cracking at home, in a hotel, or while camping. Pair it with our egg peeler tool for hard-boiled eggs for the ultimate kitchen and dining experience. Upgrade your kitchen. Transform your cooking routine with this essential kitchen tool that simplifies egg preparation, making it a must-have for every home chef. Whether you're using our eggshell opener, egg cracking tool, or hard-boiled egg peeler, elevate your kitchen experience today. Meat tenderizer. Transform tough cuts into tender meals. Even $8 steaks taste gourmet now. My guests are amazed. 48-blade meat tenderizer break fibers deeply, ensuring perfect flavor absorption every time you cook. Crafted from rust-resistant stainless steel tool for lasting use. Built like a tank, still perfect after hundreds of uses. Weighted design delivers optimal pressure with a comfortable, secure grip. The detachable design rinses clean in seconds. Just pop it apart, quick wash done. No food gets trapped. Dishwasher-safe components. Eliminate scrubbing for proper hygiene after use. Unlike jacket. Creates channels for marinades to penetrate deeper all. Overnight flavor in just 30 minutes. Game changer for weeknight cooking. Seasonings reach the core for juicier, tastier meals. Onion holder. Precision sharpness, lasting edge. Professional chefs invest in high-quality knife sharpener. Protect your tools with the YOHO rolling knife sharpener. Its intuitive design restores razor-sharp edges in seconds, maintaining peak performance for extended use. Perfect for home cooks and experts alike, achieve professional-level precision effortlessly. Diamond ceramic dual discs. The YOHO rolling knife sharpener kit combines number 400 diamond grit, industrial-grade abrasives, and number 1000 ceramic disc for precision sharpening. How to use a knife sharpening kit. First, grind away dull edges with diamond, then polish with ceramic, achieving razor-sharp results in minutes. Stainless steel fish spatula set. Set of 2 stainless steel spatula. Our spatula set comes with 1 large fish flipper spatula plus 1 small pancake spatula. The large one is perfect for flipping delicate fish fillets, steaks, patties more, while the small one is great for turning small pieces of food like cookies, omelets, pancakes, eggs more. High quality, built to last, durable. Our thin metal spatula set is made from 304 stainless steel that is rust-proof and corrosion-resistant. This slotted turner allows grease to drain and slides smoothly under food without causing any damage, thanks to its perfect thickness and flexibility. Easy grip with modern design. The lightweight stainless steel turner with a non-slip handle ensures a comfortable grip and precise control, which makes it easier to grill, flip, fry food. Its modern, sleek design doesn't just look good, but fits flawlessly into any kitchen style.